Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I am Atrey. I make videos related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle, skincare, etc. etc. So you don't want to miss out on such content. Make sure you are subscribed. Now without any further ado, let's get started. I have been doing this series on my channel where I'm going to tell you top products for oily skin type or dusky complexion. I have already done two videos in that respect. I have done one foundation one and one I think contour bronzer product. So today I am going to be doing a blush like dedicated video for top 5 blush, matte blush. Like they have a little bit of sheen but they are not on your face kind of blush. So now without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, if you know me, I am huge blush person. I love applying blush, and these blushes all are drugstore blush. I don't have any high-end blush. If you like ask me, the only costliest blush which I have is from Milani, and I haven't included that in. If you are wondering about my look, you can go to my Instagram and you can take a look on this particular look I have created there. Really loving the color, by the way. Anyway, so I haven't included Milani one, and yeah, these all blushes are very affordable. Some of them are really affordable. I have 5 of them. So now without any further ado, let's get started. I think I have said it thrice, so sorry guys. Now, on number 5, I'll say I'll have one blush by Deborah Milano. Actually, I have two of them. Yeah, here it is. So these two shades. So one shade is spicy and one is mm, where is the shade name? 18. Yes, it's not written. Name is not written, but it's 18. And yeah, here I have the name also. It is spicy. Now let me swatch these blushes for you. So these don't have like much pigmentation to it. These are really soft color. So if you can see, it just blends into your skin and it gives your skin a little bit of sheen. It does have a little bit of sheen to it. If you can see here, it does have a little bit of sheen, not too much. And this one is my favorite. This is the spicy. So this is what it looks like. This is very rosy sort of color. Yeah, so this is a kind of blush which when you are wearing that, people will ask you, are you wearing a blush or you not? Oh wait, she is wearing a blush. So yeah, these blushes are like that. They are very less on pigmentation and they are very good color for everyday purpose. If you like blushes, if you like to wear blushes in general, so I think these are the ones you should look out for, and these are very affordable also. I'll be mentioning all the prices on the screen as well as in the bottom bar, so make sure to check it. And it stays on your face for 2 hours. Like blushes are one thing which goes away yeah, pretty quickly. So but I really love these. If you're a college going girl or if you're a beginner, I think you should invest in these blushes. These are really good. Now, moving to number 4. On number 4, I have this blush. This is by Faces Canada. This is their Glam On blush, and this is in the shade Cocktail Peach. So guys, I really love peach color. I think peach color, it suits my skin tone so nicely, and you must have seen me wearing this. If you follow me on Instagram, I always make makeup related stuff there, mostly there. So this is how the color looks like. So this is a really pretty peach color. Let me give a swatch to you. So this is how it looks like, and when you blend it, no, it just gives you amazing glow. It does have sheen to it. Yeah, it does contain sheen. If you can see, it does have sheen. And yeah, it looks really pretty in real. If you can see here, it looks really pretty. Gives my face the color as well as the sheen. Again, not very pigmented, but really good, and yeah, really soft in nature. So if you want something to wear for your party or something like that, you should consider this blush. This is again really pretty. Alright guys, so on number 3, I have this blush duo by Nykaa. This is their Get Cheeky blush duo. What should I tell you guys about this product? This is a really good product because if you get two blush colors, and the color which I have is Malibu Barbie, which is a coral and peach color, and I'm so sad because it is expired now. So, but these two blushes, like, can you see? Yeah, this is how they look like. This is the coral one, this is the peach one. Looks perfect. Blends so well, gives the perfect amount of pigmentation to your cheek. So again, this is really good, and in the price of one you are getting two, so it's a really good deal. You should grab this one. So yeah, on number 3 I have this one. Alright, coming to number 4, I have this one by LA Colors. This is their Rad Rouge Blush, and this is in the shade Radical. Actually, all the colors by this range is really pretty. You should definitely check this out. So this is the color which I am showing you. This is a pretty nice pinky sort of color. Let me give you a better swatch, and this is completely matte, guys. It does not have any shimmer to it. This is how it looks like. Again, super duper blendable, super pigmented, so you have to be very careful while using this one. So this is on number 4. One, I have this Color Bar Color Illusion Cheek Blush. Now this is a recent discovery, and ever since I have bought it, I am going gaga over it. This is in the shade Bronzing Glaze, and you have to see this color to know what I'm talking about. I have this one right now on my cheeks, and I think this is my favorite color out of every color here. Yeah. So this has this bronze peachy type of color to it. I don't own any blush like this. I think I will be getting more blushes in this particular range. This is amazing, guys. One blush, I'll suggest you this one, and secondly I'll suggest you LA Colors because they are matte blushes, but this do have a sheen to it. If you can see, it does have a sheen, but it looks super duper pretty on your cheeks. Yes, guys, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and let me know which is your favorite. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care.